Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video I will be giving you guys a step-by-step detailed tutorial on how to do a really nice natural wig install. So if this is your first time installing a wig, this video is very detailed. I provided all the products you'll need, the tools you need, and this is a step-by-step guide on how to achieve a really natural look. Go ahead and check out the video. If it helps you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below and let me know how you feel about this video, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe so you guys can see some more of my amazing videos. And until next time, I'll see you soon. So for this install, you need an adhesive, a wax stick, a melting band, a hot comb, a pair of scissors, and a curling iron or flat iron. So the first thing I want to point out to you guys, when you're getting your wigs, lace definitely matters. The thicker the lace, the more manipulation, the more products you use, and messier it gets. I would definitely recommend when you're getting your units to get a transparent or HD lace wig. For one, less mess, and two, it definitely melts better and it gives you that natural look that you're going for. So the wig I'm installing today is a transparent lace wig from Sterlyhair. This is their highlighted ombre lace wig, and it is 26 inches long, and I love it. I will put the video on the side, like what it looked like straight out the box, but this is it after it's been bleached and plucked. This is it. For this install, I will be using just my wig cap, and I will not be doing a bald cap method. This wig cap is super thin and I love them, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to my lace. You want to do that because it helps your lace to blend better with your skin. So you want to use the shade foundation that matches you best and just apply a little bit to the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and do that and show you the difference. This is what the lace looks like without the foundation. So this is it now that we added foundation. Let's go ahead and put this on. So this is it now that we put it on. This is it. So let's go ahead and cut the ear tabs out. So I will be using these scissors. You want to get yourself a small pair of scissors because I feel like this is easier to handle than the bigger scissor. When I just started installing units, I used to use my kitchen shear. So if you don't have one of these, use whatever you have, but this is way easier to handle. So when you're cutting your ear tabs out, you want to cut right above the ear. So you want to go right above it. After cutting the ear tabs out, you want to cut the lace into 3 sections. This will give you more control when you're gluing the unit. Now I'm just pinning my hair back to make sure there isn't any stray hairs. The type of hold that you're looking for is what's ultimately going to determine which adhesive you use. I'm going in with one of my favorites. This is the Ebin Wonder Vitamin E adhesive spray, and I'm going in with this one because it's the least harsh on my skin and it still gives me a super firm and lasting hold. I literally love it. It's one of their newest. This is it. I got it on Amazon. So let's go ahead and glue our wig. So make sure you guys are spraying the glue underneath the lace and not on top, because I promise you it will give you nothing but Captain Crunch if you do. So I'm using the sections that we cut up earlier to place my lace down. I'm just gonna go in section by section. And on the side, I like to pull my skin back because it gives a sense of a facelift. So the great thing about this adhesive is that it dries really fast and it doesn't move around. So I only need to keep my band on for like 5 to 10 minutes before I can. So I know I didn't mention serum in the 6 things that you'll need for today's install, However, if you do have a serum, especially for colored units, you might want to apply a little bit because it brings out the color better and it adds a little bit more moisture to your unit. So the one I'm using today is the BioSilk Silk Therapy. Just going to apply a little bit in my hands and then massage it into the unit. So when you're cutting your lace off, you want to go in section by section in a zigzag motion across the lace. So this last step is what's really going to give you that deep melt. On the end of a rat tail comb, I like to just apply my adhesive and then just press that neatly into the lace. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick before and after so you guys can see the difference before I tie this down. So I'll be using my Samnite wax stick, and I got this one from Amazon. I will be using my curling iron. I feel like the flat iron just takes too long to heat up, and this gets it way flatter than the flat iron could ever. So just taking my time. So for this final step in the install, I'm just going to go ahead and add some bronzer around the hairline. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. I love the unit. I love how it turned out. Overall, it is such a pretty unit. I really love how this turned out. At first, I was thinking that it needed a little bit more transition from brown to blonde. But once I curl it, it didn't look like really bad. And the unit overall is giving us volume. It is giving us body. I love how it lays. It lays really, really good. And I would definitely give this unit a 9.5 out of 10. Because I still think that it needs some transition. And most importantly, it lays great and it gave us a really nice, pretty finish. Love how it turned out. This is it. If you want to purchase this unit, I will be leaving the link down below, so go ahead and check out my description box. Once again, this unit is from Sterlyhair, and this is their 26-inch highlighted ombre brown unit. I love it. I think it's super pretty and it lays really well. This is the final look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.